Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're an artist, you can use this idea as a passive income. Yeah, you can apply it on yourself and you can earn money as a passive source. So let's discuss what that thing is which you can use to make money out of it. As an artist, as in passive income source, you can use color filling books. Yeah, color filling books you can use. You can use your drawing skills to create color filling books, to create different kind of drawing. So you can create a PDF file. You can create a PDF file of it. You create 30 drawings. Yeah, you have to create at least 30 drawings to create color filling book for the kids, for any kind of people who is interested in art, who is interested in color filling. So you can create book at least of pages 30 pages. Yeah, your drawing skills will help you create different kind of drawings, like you can choose cartoons, you can create different kind of trees, animals, landscapes, any niche you can choose. So you can use it for your color filling book, to create a color filling book which can help you to earn income as a passive source. And now you need, after creating the book, after creating 30 pages of PDF file, you gotta upload on Amazon. Yeah, you have to upload on Kindle, Amazon Kindle publisher. Yeah, you can upload your PDF file over there. Yeah, so you have to adjust the size of your book which you want to keep. Normally people create a 6 to 9 inches book, which is a perfect size for a normal color filling book, which I commonly use for my color filling books. That is a perfect size for creating a book. So if you want to know more about sizes, you can email me. You can also leave a comment below on this video. To create a book cover, you can go to canva.com website, yeah, which is really best tool for creating a cover for the book. So many people use it for creating covers. Different kind of tools are available on this website. Yeah. So before publishing over Amazon Kindle publishers, before publishing any color book, make sure about title. So make sure about a book cover, which should be original of your own content. So always choose unique book cover, book title. So make sure you're not infringing the trademark of others. You're not having any copyright strikes. So create your own unique book cover, unique book title, so it won't affect your content. Yeah, so now you can publish after deciding the title and after creating the book cover. Now you're ready to publish, and it will let you know the further process over the website. You can go over there and you publish your book upon that. As you know, this color filling books are best idea for artistic people. Artistic people can use their skills to create such content, to create such kind of books, so which will help them enhance their income sources, which will help them to grow them more, to create a side income. So that's the best thing they can do. They can utilize their skills in a complete use by helping other kids improving their drawing skills through coloring books. Yeah, as you know, they enjoy a lot, kids enjoy a lot about filling colors on the books. They enjoy filling color over the animals, landscapes, and different kind of drawings of the cartoons. So you're helping them to grow their drawing skills. You're improving them their colors experience also. You are improving their drawing skills, color skills. you're improving their artistic skills, you are helping them explore their inner artist through these color filling books. You can create as much as books you want. There's no limit for creating books. You can create as much as you want, yes. And only one condition is book should be your own content, your own title, your own book cover. Yeah, you cannot copy any other people, you cannot infringe others trademark. Yeah, it has to be your own original content. Yeah, if you really want to grow, if you want to improve your artistic skills, if you want to expand your network, you have to focus on your own original content to enhance your services, to expand your services. Yeah, so that is the only condition you have to follow up. Yeah, if you have no idea how to publish book on Amazon Kindle publishers, you can reach out to me, you can message me, you can comment down below. I will let you know the step-by-step guide how you can upload your color filling book, how you can create your own books, how you can turn your drawing skills into color filling book. Yeah, I tell you a simple process, a basic process what you can do to create your drawings. You can have a blank notebook, a notebook with blank pages. Yeah, it has blank pages. You can also use printer pages. Yeah, you can also use pages which we use on printers, but I would prefer you a notebook. You can keep a record of a notebook. Yeah, on this notebook you gotta create different kind of drawings on every page, at least 30 drawings. Create with outlines. Yeah, drawings with outlines, don't fill any color in it, just create drawings, simple drawings for the kids, outline drawings, drawing with outlines. Yeah, fill up until you complete 30 pages. After completing the drawings, after completing the 30 pages, scan all the 30 pages, scan all the pages and save it into PDF file. Save your drawings into PDF file. Yeah, and set the size of PDF file as your book size. Yeah, set your PDF file size as you want your book size. So after getting a PDF file, all you need a book cover, yeah, which you want to display to others, a book title, a book cover and a book title which you find really nice and good. Yeah, you can use different kind of apps online, even on your mobile phone also. There are so many apps like Pixel Cut app which will help you create book cover also. And if you are using laptop, you can go to canva.com which will help you create any book cover for your coloring book. It will help you. It has all kind of tools which can support you to create your own color book. Yeah, so after creating drawings, after scanning your drawings, after converting into PDF file, after creating a book cover, so after deciding a book title also, now you are ready to publish on your Amazon account. Yeah, you have to create an account first before you publish on Amazon Kindle publishers. Yeah, you have to create account on Amazon before you start publishing any book. Yeah, if you already have any Amazon account, it is a really nice thing. So you won't have to create any account or go into further process. So it will be easier if you already have any account. So before you publish, make sure you're having a unique title, book cover like I said before. So make sure about the book size also. You can review whole book. So if you find any mistakes, you can correct it. Yeah, so now you can go to the account and you can select paperback also, hard cover also, hardcover or paperback. I would suggest you to paperback cover would be the nice option. to create any book. Everybody creates paperback one. Yeah, so select that one and follow the instructions given on the screen. Yeah, so likewise, yeah, you can follow the screen instruction. You can fill up the title over there, publishing date, category of the book. Yeah, you can choose art or decorative gift in the categories. Yeah, so you can upload your files over there. You can select the book size over there. So different kind of instructions you will see over there. So before you continue to publish, it will let you know to see your book preview. So if it had any mistakes, it will help you to correct it and re-upload it. Yeah, if you have any mistake, you can correct it. Yeah, there's no problem at all. So now you are ready to publish. It's up to you if you want to publish in global market. You can target any specific country where you are living at to sell your published book. So I would like to suggest you use a global market so everybody can purchase from there. Yeah, you can choose Amazon.com. You can set your price for the book. Normally this book's color books cost around $6, $7 around, not much. Yeah, you can also check out other books in the market. So if you have any kind of doubt with your pricing details, so you can also contact me, reach out to me. So if you have any problem with the pricing. Yeah, so after deciding the prices, you will have your royalties on each sale. Yeah, make sure you have already filled your payment details of your account where you want to receive your money. So it will be nice. So now you are ready to publish your book. So hit the publish button. So Amazon team will review your whole book, so before it will go live to their platform. So if you have any mistake in your book or in any PDF file, they will let you know on your email. Yeah, you can correct it later and republish also. So I hope you understand. If you get any problem, if you get stuck on any kind of step, you can reach out to me. Yeah, so now you're ready to publish. So if you have any problem, I can make also a separate video upon this process of publishing a color filling book. Like I have created a book on Amazon for myself, so I will show you that book in my next video. So thank you so much my friends for watching this video. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button also. Thank you so much.